I think free media is with its own responsibilities and stakes in speaking truth to power. Free media is a critical component of any democratic culture, and if we are to audit as Parliament, if we are to audit government or any kind of social policy, then not only does civil society have a key role in speaking out, but so does Parliament. And here the issue is that this current government has restricted the role of both civil society and Parliament. And thirdly, it has been fairly intolerant of open media, open societies, and sees itself under siege, which is very worrying for a culture of open democracy and public conversations that actually will create space for inclusion and democratic growth.